Hello and welcome to Touch to Click. Today I'll show you how to check graphics card in Windows 11 quickly and easily. It takes less than a minute. Now let's get started. Step 1. Click on the Start menu icon at the bottom of your screen. This opens the main app and system list. It's the fastest way to reach core options. Step 2. Click on Settings, the gear icon for system controls. This is where device and display options are managed. Step 3. In the Settings window, click on Display, which handles your screen and graphics settings. Your GPU info connects through this section. Step 4. Scroll down and click on Advanced Display, where extra screen and hardware details appear. It shows deeper technical info. Step 5. Click on Display Adapter Properties. This opens the graphics hardware window. It links directly to your GPU details. Step 6. In the new window, click on the Adapter tab, where graphics information is grouped. You'll see memory and adapter data here. Step 7. Under Adapter Type, view the name and details of your graphics card. This shows your exact GPU model. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to Touch to Click.